How to Be Rich by John Paul Getty was written in 1961. To be truly rich, regardless of his fortune or lack of it, a man must live by his own values. If those values are not personally meaningful, then no amount of money gained can hide the emptiness of life without them. In 1957, Fortune magazine named Getty the richest man in America with an estimated worth of $1 billion. He would from then on receive an average 3,000 letters a week from strangers requesting money. Hearing views different to your own, he believed, adds spice, spirit, and quality to life. Getty's moral was that wealth was only ever granted by open mind because only such intellectual openness enables us to see opportunities that others do not. To me, they are vital embodiments of their creators. They mirror the hopes and frustrations of those who created them and the times and places in which they were created. People need to believe that their efforts are increasing value and enriching the world in the some way, that they are engaged in real creative effort and not simply status seeking.